Hi guys, so this is STKL Gaming here, but you can call me STKL. So how do I record my video? I'm gonna show you today. Mainly what I do is I just record the video from my iPhone. If you don't know how to record from an iPhone, I will show you right now. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how do I record the video. So what I usually do, I bring down the control center. As you can see, it's recording right now. So I press on the record, I click photos and microphone on, and then start recording. Now it's showing stop because I'm recording. And then once the video is recorded, I take the videos via AirDrop on my Mac. So what I do now, okay, you see Final Cut Pro here. I click Final Cut Pro. I go on Files, New, Library, and I just write AM Among Us. Save it. Go click here on New Project, right here, and I write again AM. It doesn't matter what you name. So you can see it's right here now. So now, which part I want to edit? So I have some parts over here: part 1, part 4, part 3, part 5. Part 2 videos is already out, so I'm gonna make the video where I was the imposter, of course. So I will click and drag into my time now, and as you can see, it's that simple, guys. It's very simple. I'll hide this. Okay, so I will just do this, but before editing the video, I will insert my intro. Just click and drag. You saw? Just click and drag into the front of the thumbnail, and you see the yellow lines. I will just adjust this. I will adjust this. I will adjust this as well. There. Okay. So now I'll hold Command and do the plus minus to increase the size of the timeline. I'll keep it like nice and big. Alright, so I'll just hit play. So this is my intro. So I will just cut right here. Okay, press B on the keyboard, hit cut, click it, delete, press A again to get the cursor, and I will just see. So as you can see, the voice is very low, so I will increase it to 5 decibels. No, not yet. So I will increase it to 12 probably. Alright guys, so STKL Gaming.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I'll cut it here, press B. Then again, I will hold on to B, the blade option.
No.
Okay, so you see the sound in the background, somebody shouts. See?
मार दिया क्या? किधर हो?
नहीं अंकल ने मारा नहीं।
तुमको कैसे पता भाई? इसको कैसे पता? नहीं मारा अभी तक जिंदा बची है। क्या औरत है भाई? नहीं मारा अभी तक जिंदा बची है।
Okay, I'll cut that.
कितने लोग हैं इधर? 1000 लोग हैं।
Okay, so that's how I edit, guys. Like blade, cut the parts, and then hold it on the part, delete, and then again go through all the video. I'll fast forward this. So yeah guys, as you saw, I just edited the basic edit I've shown. I am not showing you how do I edit my STKL cinematic videos because that's very complicated. I use on the top left corner a few generators right here. I go through all this. This is the only one video, but I go through many videos over here. I also use bottom right corner some effects, some transitions, but for now I'm going to only use the cross dissolve for my intro. If there's no space, I'll see create dissolve, and I'll also use some here because I cut it here. So if you can see, there's a nice transition and the video effect, you see, and here as well the nice cross dissolve, you can see. So this is very nice and simple basic video. Now the ending is not so good. See, like defeats.
क्या एविडेंस था बताओ क्या एविडेंस था बताओ
And look, the video just end over there. So now what I'm gonna do is adjust the volume of this yellow thing so it doesn't blast your ear. This is 2 decibels, just very low. I'm gonna put it 8, 9, whatever. So now what I'm gonna do, I can only,
बताओ क्या एविडेंस था
so I can again put my intro, this one option, and I will put a nice transition. Let me see how does this create transition.
बताओ क्या एविडेंस था बताओ
You see, and now on here I'm gonna perfect. So on this part now I will put in the video basically my subscribe tab, and also I will showcase one video. So yeah, this is very simple editing, guys. If you're starting to edit on Mac using your footage, whatever gameplay or whatever video you want to, my next video will be on how I edit using iMovies on iPhone, because not everyone has Mac. But my first video was on Mac. Why? Because I just got an idea. I had few ideas to do it, and as you can see, that's why I'm putting this video on how to edit on Mac using simple and easy Final Cut Pro software. So yeah, my next video will be on how to edit using iMovies app, which is completely free for iOS users. And yeah, if I had an Android, I wish I could make a video on how to edit on Android phones, but for now I don't have. I will take help of my friend if they will let me use their phone or something. Let me see in future how it goes. But now the final part, guys, the most good part is go in Windows, no wait, go on modify and render all. Click on render all. Render all means the whole video will render it nicely. Now what is the meaning of render? You know the process. If you buy a chicken in the market, you cook to eat it, right? So this is just a sample what you're seeing in the thumbnail, in the timeline here. So now to cook everything nicely, click render all. My background render is on, so I have rendered it already. As you can see here, rendering, the 4th option. It's idle because it's already rendered. If you notice, it was a circle over there before. Anyway, so now once it's rendered and everything is done, I'll go on 1080p because I don't want master file 720 or 4K. I'll just click on 1080p. Hold it a second. It's 223 MB. You don't have to modify anything here. It doesn't matter, guys. 30 frames per second. Share. That's it, done. So you can see it's sharing now. I'll fast forward this for you. So as you can see, it's done now, and it depends on your Mac, how latest your MacBook is or your iMac is on the rendering and the exporting speed. Anyways, so once this is done, sharing is completed, I'll just minimize this tab. I will go to Finders. I will click Search AM, as we named our project AM, this Mac, as you can see here. So now I will scroll to find, yeah, AM MP4.
Alright, कितने लोग हैं फिर?
So as you can see, I just go through. Perfect. So now I will go on Chrome. I will go on YouTube. Okay. And now I will just click here, create, upload video, top right corner. Wait for a minute to load. Okay, I don't know why it's taking a lot of time today. Come on. Usually it's not that slow. Anyway, so here, click and drag the profile and click in the background. You see my MP4 video is still here. AM M4V. I'll just drop it here. It will render and boom. Title, description, video elements, visibility, make it public, save, publish. Simple, guys. So you see, it's uploading right now. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, my small tutorial. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I edit on iMovies using iPhone. And then in the other future videos, I will show you how I edit my thumbnails. It's a very tricky about the thumbnail. It's very complicated, so it might be a longer video, detailed video. I try to keep this video simple as much as possible, and I've also speak very less in this video so that you can understand and you can see what is going on. It is very simple. Drag, just blade using the B option, the blade, cut, click, delete, and then add some transitions, add your own intros. That's it. It's that simple. Now I'll show you how to do it on iMovies in future videos. So I will keep this video till now, just this much, and thank you for watching. This was your boy STKL. If you haven't subscribed to my channel STKL Gaming, please do it, and I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Peace.